Well, hello, you beautiful human beings. Your girl Brittany here. What's up? What's happening? Hey, girl, hey. And welcome back to my channel. So, I wanted to do a project share, a swap that I hosted over on my Facebook page, BB's Crafty Peeps, and it is a kitten caboodle swap. Now, remember that video where I said, like, we were like packing a caboodle? And I was like, oh, this will be so cute to do as a swap. When I say something, I mean it, okay? And I was like, okay. And so I thought it was a great swap, and then I went ahead and hosted it. And for this one, you had to, figure out, your partner's likes and dislikes. It was a one-on-one swap. And you basically wanted to create a kit that they can go ahead and pick up and use whenever they feel like it, feeling a little down, need some inspiration or something. But the whole ordeal is you also didn't want to do the same things. Like, you guys don't want to do the same exact collection, because that really will defeat the purpose. So it's just like, okay, well, I'll give you crepe paper, you hook me up with simple stories, that kind of thing, whatever. Or they could have gone as far as, I'll take fall and you do Christmas or something. Just figure out what you guys had liked. So my partner, Raquel, she is a fan of cutesy doodlebug and stuff like that. I'm just like, oh, okay, girl. And I used my happy place, and this bad boy came out in 2022, and I had so much fun playing with this paper. It was so beautiful. And so what we had to include were 6 double-sided paper pattern cardstock, and then 4 solid cardstock. We were to do a sequin mix, a bead mix, a charm mix, 2 sets of 2 embellishments, and also include cut aparts. Now, if you want, and a trim sample. Now, if you want to go above and beyond that and include extra things, you by all means go right ahead. And a lot of collections, if you're using a collection pack like this, a lot of them come, like, if you purchase it, they come with like chipboard pieces or ephemera pieces and stuff. So if you had enough to share, include those too. So, you want it to be like a nice inclusive kit. And I cannot wait to show you guys what I made. I hope you enjoyed. I hope she enjoys it. Like, oh my gosh. So do you want to see what's in my caboodle? All right, stay tuned. All right, so first things first, here are my papers. And that's just on for fun, because to be cute. And why won't you open? So, like I say, it includes 6 double-sided paper. Isn't this pretty? I don't know. I love when there's like bright colors and then black is included. It just adds a little bit of oomph. Like, yeah, buddy. And then I added 4 colors of coordinating cardstock. And put that back on top because I think that's the cutest one of them all. And now, the whole point was to try to make sure everything fit in the caboodle. Well, silly me, I tried to defy the laws of sizing and space. And I had got these little containers. These are the magnetic ones you get from Dollar Tree. It's a 2-pack. And at first, I could have sworn it had fit in my caboodle. I was like, okay, great. But then I didn't. But that was before I decorated them. And so I didn't factor in the height and when I was decorating. So they no longer had fit in there. And I didn't want to put it in different containers. I had already decorated this. And I was like, you know what? I'm going for it. I don't care. So I'm going to put it in separately. So, and this one is the bead mix. So, and that's just what it looks like. It's clear through the openings. You can see a little fun on the outside. Added some flower flat bags, and then this heart here, this love is from the collection. And then again, just various colors and tones and styles and designs. Some of them are already have the eye pins in. And again, you just want to pull, you're making the mix based on the colors of the collection that you are using, and that had to be carried throughout. So it doesn't make sense to use colors that are not in the collection. You know what I'm saying? Now, I have this perfectly done, and now I can't get the cat back on. And you know what? are not understanding the assignment, my friend. Okay, so then here's the next one. This cute little bunny here. It says hello, again with those cute little flowers, trying to use up what's in my stash. And then in here is the sequin mix. And I have the word dies from My Crafting World Designs by Anna. And when I was sitting there looking for them, because I was going to put it on top, I was like, where's my stuff? Where's my stuff? And I was like, well, forget it. And then after I'm cleaning everything up, I found them. Yep, that's how it goes. So look at this delicious little gumbo. We have clay hearts, we have silver foam balls, we have yellow flowers, we have black and white polka dots, we have gems, we have stars, we have little hearts, we have diamond dots. You know me, when I make a mix, baby, I make a mix, okay? It is a delicious looking mix. I love it. Isn't she cute? She's pretty. She's pretty. And so that is what's outside of the caboodle. The 6x6 papers, of course, did not have to fit. The whole point was to try to fit everything else in there. And like I said, I failed only because I wasn't thinking, because I was trying to be too cute. And this is what happens when you try to be too cute. But here's my caboodle. Isn't she adorable? It just looks like so much happiness. Like when you see it, it just looks so happy, okay? So the requirements, you need to have at least 3 elements on the outside and to personalize with their name. Hey Raquel, hey girl, there's her name. Boom, 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 boom. And I added some pom-pom trim on the front and the back. Added some flowers. Did, of course, the sequin mix. So this is another good look at that sequin mix, because this is the same mix that she was gifted. Added a bike die cut. This is our happy place. Did some stickling on some of the flowers there. Also did some glossy accents. Have a cute little rosette in the background to add more height. And this is the Dollar Tree. Oh, you know, I could have did something cute right here, but look at me. I'm done. Whatever, Brittany, stop. But this is the Dollar Tree caboodle. So then when you open her up, here is the inside. So I also matted on the mirror portion, because, you know, sometimes you might be looking a little rough. The last thing you want to do is be opening something up and boom, there's a mirror in there and just, like, showing you how rough you're looking, okay? So let's go ahead and cover that up. And again, I added some shaker mix in there. It says Our Happy Home. Added some fun buttons on there. So we have our embellishments. And I did some tags for this one. It says, welcome, love grows here. I have that cute little bunny holding the heart there. And it is a double tag. These are the Scrap Diva design tags that she has. And then I added the little cabochon bow at the top. And then you flip her over and it's the same thing, but mirrored. And so we have this going to the other side. Added the butterflies here, and it says love you. I don't want to take it out because it has sequins in it. I know, shame on me. And then we have the white with black polka dots on the top for that bow. And then we have this little buggy. Now remember when I did that Temu haul and I had that little buggy die? Well, this is it. Isn't it so cute? Oh my gosh, I love it. And I added some Cuddle Me Clay Tay flowers on there. Added that bow. This one says always and forever. I also added stickling to the white portions of the wheel and the windows. And then here it says enjoy the ride, again with the same flowers and the same embellishing. So cute. And then I also gifted a few spoons and added a little decorative element to the top of them because, you know, she got a sequin mix. So she has some fun little spoons, added some beads on there and some ribbon. We were to include a trim sample, so I added a cute little dangle on top here. Again, this collection is fun, happy, loving, and it says so happy together. Again, pulled colors from the collection. So we have green, we have the pink with the hearts, we have blue, and then we have the purple Rick Rack ribbon. Now, honestly, purple's not really in this collection, but yet it does something. You know what I'm saying? It brings it out. It really adds a little something to it, okay? And then I added button mix. Now this was not required, but of course you can add however much more things you want to add into there. So I added a button mix, added a cute little wax melt to seal it up. And then I also did some wax melts for her too. So these say Happy Mail, and then we have the little butterfly one. Again, I used the colors from the collection to put together for the wax melts. So I think those came out super cool. And then here, these are the little lipstick holder thingamajiggies from Scrap Diva Designs. I added some cabochons to it, and that's not required, but again, you know, it's my swap. I can do what I want. And let me go ahead and open these, and I'll give you guys a closer look. All right, so in this one, I'm not gonna take everything out, but so I'll give you a little gist of what we have in there. We have some hearts. Oh my goodness, now she's not even gonna get what she was supposed to get because everything's flying all over the place. But we have these super cute smiley faces. Aren't they adorable? Got those from Hobby Lobby. Added some flowers in there as well. And then there's like a coffee cup. There's like some ice cream cones. So again, she likes cutesy things, and I wanted to play into that. And Doodlebug itself is very cutesy, and like I said, it is a big bowl of happiness. If you want to know what happiness looks like in a paper collection, you go to Doodlebug, okay? So that is what I put in here. Now that, again, that was just something for fun. That one was not one of the requirements, but, and then this one, this is the charm mix. I told them to include at least 10 of them, which I have more of, but we have like these big little chunky bow ones, which I can't do with one hand. And then we have the little, you know, the thing you hook on, the camper. There we go. I was getting there. It was coming to me. I have butterflies. I have hearts. A little purse here. We have a little key, and then more hearts and all fun stuff. So playing with the colors that are within the collection as well. And I'm just gonna have to put this to the side because that is giving me anxiety. So we'll put that to the side there for right now. All right, and then last but certainly not least, we have I added some ephemera pieces because I did have it where I had some extras to give to her. So I do have some ephemera pieces, and then I have cut parts as well. I wanted them to at least do 12 in various sizes, and so I did well more than that, I'm pretty sure. And I have like sentiments and all sorts of fun stuff that is in there. So I do hope, I really do. Oh, one thing I forgot to show you is I'm at the inside. So when you take everything out, we have the bottom and the top matted as well. So again, just something cute and fun and happy, but my top is heavy. So baby, like when I tell you that when this thing is emptied, if that it's not gonna fly everywhere, trust me, it will. It's gonna just bloop, fall right on over. So that is the swap. I love how it turned out. It was something where it was quick and simple. You also can utilize like, if you know how you have those collections, we just have a few little pieces left, you don't know what to make with it or anything like that. If you want to create a rack and do something like this, I mean, you don't even have to use the Caboodle, but it gives you something to go ahead and use up those small little bits and pieces and gift it to a friend, and you know, maybe they can utilize it in some way or another. But I thought it was a super cute swap. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you did, make sure you give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl if you're not already. And well, until next time, bye.